Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accuse. 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 Accuse is a verb that refers to the act of charging someone with wrongdoing, typically involving making allegations of guilt or fault against them. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The prosecutor will accuse the defendant of the crime during the trial. Why accuse is used in example number 1. In a legal context, accuse is used to indicate that the prosecutor will make allegations of the defendant's guilt. Example number 2. The HR department will accuse the employee of misconduct and conduct an investigation. Why accuse is used in example number 2. In workplace incidents, accuse indicates that the HR department will make allegations of misconduct against the employee. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.